Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today was one of those days where I didn't really feel like putting on makeup, so I just didn't. And I'm filming this intro for you. Sans makeup. What you gonna do about it? Today's video is in collaboration with RX Bar, and I'm very excited about it because they're a great protein bar company. I have the sample pack here. What I like about them is they just have all the ingredients listed on the front, and then on the back, like any other protein bar, it has all the ingredients, but the only difference is I can look at them and I can read and understand and pronounce all of the ingredients that are in this bar. I'm obsessed with that. I've been a big fan of protein bars for a long time. I'm one of those people that will sacrifice something in order to be on time, and a lot of the time that's eating. So I'm a big fan of protein bars. The other one's nice. I'm a big fan of protein bars. I think they're great for on the go. I thought this would be the perfect video to collaborate with RX Bar, because you guys have been asking for my healthy snacks and what I like to snack on during the day, so this is it. I do have a coupon code listed in the down bar, so check that out if you want to purchase some RX bars, but other than that, let's just get right into the video. So for the first snack, I'm gonna do a superfood jam on whole grain toast. This is really easy. You make your own jam at home. You just require berries, lemon, chia seeds, and honey. And you just cook it up, you can blend it up and put it on toast, and I love it. It's so delicious and sweet. The second healthy snack is an RX bar, and these are healthy protein bars. I love them. There's no BS ingredients. It says it right on the package. There's 3 egg whites, 2 dates, and 6 almonds as the core ingredients. They taste really good. There's no added sugar. They're gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, which I'm into. My favorite flavor is the mixed berry flavor, and you can go to rxbar.com/Allegra and use the code Allegra to get 25% off your first order. The third healthy snack is already prepared foods that I get at Whole Foods. My personal favorites are the no-meat spicy buffalo bites and the hazelnut patties, filled with protein, vegan, so delicious. Snack number 4 is cauliflower buffalo bites. There are a ton of different ways to make these, and there are a ton of different recipes online. I just made them a really simple way, just on top of the stove. You can also throw them in the oven, and that's some spicy vegan mayo, and I love these. Great snack. You can also just make them and heat them up for later. One of my all-time favorites, and I've made this basically my whole life because it's just so damn easy. You can make it on top of the stove, you can make it in the microwave, but it's just edamame beans. You have them in the freezer, and then you just heat them up basically and throw some sea salt on them, and they're just really delicious and nutritious for you. Leave a comment on what you love to snack on. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Peace and love. Love you all.